Want to learn how to create a listing reveal video like this one? Amplifiles makes it super easy. First, open Creative Mode. Then add an end frame and use the same image that you currently have selected as the starting frame. Next, select the start frame and open Edit Image. Then select Add Elements. If you have already uploaded your business card with your profile picture and contact information, it can be found under Team Elements. If you haven't done that yet, then select Upload Element. Next, add the prompt and press Generate Image. The prompt I used can be found in the video description. Once the image generation is ready, select Use for Animation. Now you'll see two different shots, the starting frame with the home covered by your custom wrapping, and the end frame with the original image. And finally, let's add the animation prompt and bring these still images to life.